Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fortnite Season 2 character. This time it's gonna be Brutus. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this very cool looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. So we're gonna draw in, we're gonna simplify the sketch a little bit. His arm's gonna be folded, so it's a little bit tricky. Alright, so let's start out with his glasses, and we're just gonna draw in one curve, and this is gonna be the top of his sunglasses. So just curve all the way around, and then right in the middle here, okay, so here's the middle. I'm just gonna come out to the side, make two little points, and then we're gonna curve all the way around to these points for the lenses or the glass. Okay, so just curve, and then same thing here. Okay, kind of looks like a stormtrooper right now. Alright, so that's his glass, and then we're gonna draw one more line right here, just to connect the lens. And then now we're gonna draw in his nose, so just come down right around here. He's got a really wide nose. Just make a little bracket, and then we'll just kind of dip it down and close everything off. Just connect the lines. Okay, so now let's draw in his lip. So we're gonna come down here. Just one little line across first, and then we're gonna dip the corners down here. Give him a little mean look. And then we're gonna add one little line here for the lower lip. And then for the corner of the mouth, it's nice to add a little line like that, just to add a little crease. Okay, and then one more little crease around the nose right here. We just come down, just a short little curve. Okay, so now let's fill in the face so that it doesn't look so weird. So we're gonna start on the top. So it's got a really small forehead, so we're gonna go up with a slant from the glasses. And then on the very top, we'll just round it out. Okay, so now for the rest of the face is really wide. It's got really big jawline right here. So I'm gonna start here again. Just slant all the way down past the mouth. So it's pretty much like a straight line. Okay, and then once we get to here, we'll just come in. And again, his chin is really wide too, so just come right around here. So just stop, and then we'll come across. Alright, so that's the overall head shape, and let's add just one little line right here for the cheekbones. And then from there, let's finish out the head with the ear, just right on the side of the glass right here. Let's draw a little curve, so this one's easy. Alright, so that's pretty much the head. And now we're gonna come down and draw his neck. So we're gonna continue with this line. It's got a really wide neck. So just extend that line, and then let's curve all the way around. Okay, so now to draw his body, he's got really wide shoulders. So we'll slant all the way out first. Okay, now we're gonna come back in here. This is gonna be the suit collar. Just draw two slants coming in. Okay, just come down the same length. And then now I'm gonna extend this one slightly. Just make this one a little bit longer. I'm gonna connect this. So this is gonna be the top of his arm. And then we'll extend the line. Okay, come down, and then right here on the shoulder part, just come down and just connect it. I know it's a little bit strange, but we have to draw one of his arms first because it's gonna be folded. Okay, so now let's draw in his arm right here. So right here, just slant down, that's gonna be the cuff. And then right here, the bottom of the arm, slant all the way down here. Now I'm gonna start on this shoulder right here. Curve down, right around here, and then just curve and just close it off. And then to show the folding right here, I'm gonna extend this line. And then I'm gonna add one more line here, just for the creases for the jacket. Okay, so let's go ahead and add in a little button right here, so we know where we are. Okay, so now for the other arm, so I'm gonna extend this line right here. And then right here, I'm gonna add a little fold. So I'm just gonna step up, just go out. And then now whatever space you have here, just close it with the same slant as this, just the opposite. So just go in. Okay, so now for the other arm right here, just start right around here. I'm gonna slant down. And then I'm just gonna round it off and close everything off. So this one's gonna come down. And you can draw pretty much the same as this, so just come down right here first. And then just kind of turn it a little bit more, close it off. Okay, and then right here, extend this line to show the little bent elbow, the little fold. Okay, and then now we can finish off with the hand right here. So right here, this part, just kind of tuck it in, right in there. And we'll add one line right here for the shirt. Okay, and then now we can finish out the jacket right here. So let's finish out the shirt. Here's the middle. I'm just gonna come on both sides, just make two little dots. Slant down. And then just curve up. Okay, and then for the tie, this one's easy. Slant back in, close it off. And then slant down. All right, and then for the collar right here for the jacket, just come in and then one little angle like this, and then continue the slant, just kind of tuck it in. Okay, so now let's finish up the body, and yeah, I know this part's a little bit tricky, but it's always like that with the arms folded. All right, so let's continue down right here, this curve. Finish out the jacket right here. Come back to the middle. Just gonna draw two curves coming down and then just close it off. And then now right here, let's draw two lines. That's gonna be his belt. And then for his belt buckle is a little bit different. Just add two bars like this first. And then there's a little hook right here, so I'm just gonna draw a little box inside. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then, oh, we almost forgot, his tie, you can kind of see a little bit right here behind the arm. So right here, you can make one little point in the middle, and then just slant up. Okay, so now we can draw in his legs. All right, so come down right in the middle. Just gonna draw one line across. Back to the middle, I'm gonna add one little fold. I'm gonna start on the side right here for his legs. And it's got those kind of skinny legs and tight pants. So just bracket in. Come back here, come down. Okay, so this is gonna be his knee. So now let's draw on the other side first. Okay, so just come down and then make a little turn. Come back here. Okay, so now we can draw in the lower legs. So let's start on this side. Just kind of come up, flare out slightly, and then we're gonna pinch it back in, and just close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Just start up here, flare out, slight curve. So his leg's gonna be a little bit wider apart. Okay, so just close it off with a flat line. All right, and then for the shoe, right here, curve down. And then this side, we're gonna go all the way out. So just curve out and then just turn it back down. Close it off. start right here, the heel, and then just come down. Okay, so same thing here. This one's gotta go all the way out, and then just turn it down. Close it off with a flat line, and then same thing here in the heel. Just come in and just close it. And that is it for this Brutus. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.